Guys, Tank here. I just received some mail, came back from vacation, walked into the office, and I received some channel stickers. Yes, I have to do mine and send a whole bunch out because I've been receiving a lot of stickers but have not sent any yet. So as soon as I get some done, a whole bunch of people are going to be getting some. So if you have any, you can send it to my address that you see here. Thanks Wayne Kibler and Honey Lulu for the awesome stickers. I'll put them some places, and I think I got room on the camper. Camper would be kind of cool to actually have it on there. That's my motorized camper, the one that looks old, not the Tonka. But thanks a lot, and I'll try to do a banner also with you guys and redo my banner wall. So guys, thanks a lot. Please like, comment, and I will put a description below to the channels. Wayne Kibler's RC Adventure. It's kind of cool what he does, especially with the little figures. He's got a whole bunch of wrestling figures, ladies. So, oh, and yes, that is a later opener that looks like a sword. I got this at work and I use it all the time. And I do collect sword at home, like you've seen on my channel there in the background. They're TV and movie swords. So I got a whole bunch of different hobbies. Well, thanks guys, and we'll talk to you later.